Brian, YouTube Millions. He got me a $50 gift card. Brian Fullerton, $25 Chipotle gift card. $25 Chipotle gift card. Who is this?
We have our next podcast guest, which is my dog Teddy. He's got a lot to say.
Everyone's dog's named Teddy. I just came from Ohio.
Spencer's.
Sean Spencer's dog's name's Teddy. What's your dog's name, Aaron?
I don't have one, I have a cat.
Ooh. Where's that Timmy Hose, Brian?
I got it in the truck, bro. Ready for you.
Let's go. Timmy Hose.
All right. Well, shout out to Peter McKay. I love your videos. Know your numbers. Hey, we're just talking about balanced budgets and break evens and bottom lines.
Nothing incriminating.
Know your worth. Know your worth, Paul. Here, let me see this thing really quick. It looks like it's out of focus. Oh, there's Paul Jameson.
What's up?
Hey, so you've been doing 11 podcasts in 24 hours.
This is the most podcasts I've done in a short amount of time like this.
Oh no! What?
So, and it's really hard as a lady. Like, okay, all my friends that have houses and kids, and like, one day I'll get there. I'm gonna be 40 by the time that I have, like it was hard. And I actually ripped up all of.
We had a fight.
We had a huge fight.
A big fight.
I ripped up all of the dreams on our refrigerator and laid on my kitchen floor and just sobbed because I just wanted out of that place so badly. And I knew it was going to happen, but I knew it was going to take longer than what we wanted. And it was really, really hard. And Brian came in and he just held my hand and he's like, look, we're going to do it. We're going to figure it out. It's going to be okay. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm tangibly doing. These are the steps. That's one thing that I think a lot of husbands don't get. If you're listening and your wife's not on board with your dreams, is if you don't involve her in the business, you don't show her tangible steps that you're taking and get her on board and involved in whatever capacity that she wants to get in on the dream with, it's very hard to believe. It doesn't seem tangible. So he sat there and he held my hand and I stopped crying and we talked about all of the steps that we were taking to get us to where we wanted to go. And that's when I got really on board and super excited because then I felt like I could tangibly do something to help him further like our journey and our dreams. Like I was on the boat with them. We got both oars going, right? And we took a sandwich baggie and we put all of those ripped up dreams and we put them.
You went to bed and you were mad and upset and you cried yourself to sleep. And I went back into the kitchen.
Stop crying.
I'm like crying right now. Like I went back in the kitchen and I see, so it wasn't just a piece of paper, it said the Fullerton Family House 2020. Mm-hmm. And this is like 2017 or 2018, probably 2018.
2020 seems so far away.
Yeah, it was like 2 years out. I literally remember walking around into the kitchen because we had like this horseshoe thing, and I saw like all these pieces of paper on the floor, and that was like it was a home that we wanted back then, like this beautiful home on this ranch or on this land, like exactly what we're gonna build right now, right? It just like I get chills kind of like talking about it, and I just saw these little pieces of paper, so I picked them all up, I put them in a little bag, and I put a magnet.
He put them back on the refrigerator in the sandwich baggie. So when I walked out and saw that, I think I had like another small little breakdown. Yeah. But it was kind of like the breakdown we needed to like get on the same page because after that you involved me way more in the business. Yeah. Like you let me like contribute.
Probably you're very aware. Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm making a vlog of my time in Michigan.
Nice.
Friends. Always.
Check out my YouTube channel, Keith Kalfas.
What'd you get?
We got taking a note out of Spencer's book, getting barbecue. Now he's got the fancy grill and all that mess. I got pockets like Spencer's, so we can do famous Dave's. Like $60, we're good to go. You know what I'm saying?
YouTube millionaires, man.
Maybe that, I don't know.
Mark Thomas, what's up, man?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Paul.
Just talking social cues when it's time to go. What's the rule?
It's been good.
It's been good, man. You want some coffee?
I would love some coffee.
That's good for get out of my house.
Thanks for having me, Paul.
Yeah, well, thanks, Brian.
Yeah,
day one.
Thank you.
Day one's all complete. Yep. So day 2 tomorrow. You gotta get some rest, bro.
Yeah, going to bed.
Six or seven more.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
All right.
We'll see you guys.
Deal.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Green Industry Podcast Road Tour powered by our friends at Echo. I'm Paul Jameson back here in the Fullerton Unfiltered studios with Michael Waddell. Hey.